Welcome to Solpod's Quick Start Guide for installers. Solpods are made in Australia and stacked flat for delivery. A flatbed truck can transport 2 stacks of Solpods to site. Container bases are lifted to the ground using a 3-metre spreader bar and chains through the tine pockets, or chains to the corner castings. Connect slings to the edge beams using sling brackets, making sure that T-headed fasteners are correctly rotated into the slot. As each Solpod is lifted up, make sure it doesn't slip off the one below it. Lower the spine into the F brackets and then unfold. Solpods can also be rotated 90 degrees on the roof, so the spine is parallel to the ribs of the roof sheet. For more information, download the installation manual from our website.